There are hidden settings on your phone turned on by default that are tracking your phone and app usage. This information is shared with developers and companies without your permission. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to find them and disable them to improve your privacy and have more control over your personal data. Make sure you watch this video to the end and follow every step carefully. Alright, the first thing you have to do is to open your main settings app. Once you are in your settings app, scroll down and then select privacy. Here, the first settings you are going to disable is called send diagnostics data. This is the main settings. Once you tap on that, honor that you are going to see that Samsung would like your help improving our product and services. Your phone, including diagnostic software that may, with your consent, automatically collect diagnostics and uses data from your phone. If you agree, this data will be sent to Samsung. There's no need for these settings to be on. It's tracking your phone and app usage and is collecting duties about you and sending it to Samsung. For more privacy control, you need to disable these settings. Tap here and tap OK. It's already off. The second settings you are going to disable here is Android personalization service. Once you tap on that, honor that you're going to see get personalized content based on your app usage. Do you hear that? Based on your app usage. For example, tags you have entered in one app may appear as search suggestion in another app. This data is stored on your phone and is not sent to Google or Samsung. It's a lie. If this information is not sent to Google or Samsung, what is the main reason for you collecting the data? You need to disable these settings. They are collecting information about your device and app usage and is sent to Google or Samsung without your consent. These settings are turned on by default. Disable it to stop that from happening. And the third setting we're going to disable here is ads. We're going to tap on reset advertising ID and tap confirm. We're going to tap on delete advertising ID and we'll delete advertising ID. Apps and advertisers can track your ID to show you ads in apps. So once you delete this, it's going to take a longer while. It's going to reduce how many ads you see on your screen. That means you're going to see less ads until they can set up new advertising ID for you. Then we're going to go back and tap on usage and diagnostics. We are going to turn this off. Honor that you're going to see help improve your Android device experience by automatically sending diagnostics, device and app usage. You hear that? Device and app usage data to Google. This will help battery life, system and app stability and others improvement. Some aggregate data will also help Google apps and partners such as Android developers. If your additional web and app activity settings is turned on, this data may be saved to your Google account. There's no need. This is general information about your device and how you use it. Here that shows as battery level, systems and app activity and errors. This data will be used to improve Android devices and some aggregate information will also help Google apps and partners such as Android developers makes their apps and product better. There's no need for these settings to be on. It's also giving details about your phone and app usage. So what we have to do, we're going to disable these settings. Going to turn this off. We're going to go back, tab back, and we're going to select Google here. Once you are in your Google settings, tap on All Service. Scroll down a little bit and we're going to tap on personalized using share data. Once you tap on that, you will see Gmail is turned on by default, which is scanning your Gmail and getting information about how you use your Gmail conversation that you have. You have to disable this. Then we're going to disable device contact. This is uploading your contact and getting information about people you mostly communicate with on your phone, and they are using it to show you ads in others app. We're going to disable this too. The last settings you're going to disable is external media. This means that they have access to files, private documents, and private content you have on your phone, which is exposing you. We're going to disable this. This is what I wanted to share with you. Let me get your feedback in the comment. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.